There's my good girl. Come over here right now. Come on over here. Come on over here. You hear that other kitty? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's Sweet Lips. It's Sweet Lips. Oh my goodness, Sweet Lips. Look at you. You're so sweet. You heard that kitty? Yeah, Sweet Lips is doing awesome. You hear Chloe, don't you? Yeah. Sweet Lips is doing awesome. Come over here so Mother can see you. Eating well, avoiding normally, no constipation, no symptoms of UTI. We'll be happy to see you guys when you get home. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Basking in the afternoon sun. Yes. Is that what you do? You bask in the sun and watch the birds? Yes. Yes, look at you. Look at you. Oh, yes, you're my girl. You're my good girl. That's my good girl. That's my good girl. Yeah. Come over here. Yeah. You're ready to go back, aren't you? Yeah. So she's doing good. That's my little girl. That's my little girl, Sweet Lips. Come over here. Come on. All right. Say hi to Mom. Say hi to